In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge and split PDF files using PDFsam. We'll walk through a clear, beginner-friendly process so you can confidently combine documents and save the result exactly where you want it. Start by opening the PDFsam application on your computer. Once it's up, look for the Merge option and click it to open the Merge workspace. This is where you'll gather the PDFs you want to combine. You have two simple ways to bring in files. If they're already handy on your desktop or in a folder, drag and drop them directly into the window. If you prefer using the interface, click the plus icon, then choose Add Files. There's also an Add Folder option for situations where all your PDFs are stored together, but for this walkthrough, we'll stick with Add Files. A file picker will appear. Navigate to the folder where your PDFs are located. To select multiple documents at once, hold the Control key on your keyboard and click each PDF you want to include, then choose Open. You'll see those files appear in PDFsam's list, confirming they've been added and are queued for merging. Take a moment to glance over the list so you're certain you've selected everything you need. When your selection looks right, click Merge. PDFsam will process the documents and combine them into a single PDF. The time this takes depends on the size and number of files, so give it a moment if you're working with large or image-heavy PDFs. You'll know it's done when the interface indicates the operation has completed and your merged document is ready. Next, save your new file. Click the diskette icon at the top to open the Save dialog. Enter a clear, descriptive name that makes the file easy to recognize later, and then choose the destination folder where you want to store it. Double-check the folder path before you confirm so the file goes exactly where you expect. When everything looks good, click Save. That's it. Your merged PDF is created and safely stored. Those are the essential steps for combining PDFs in PDFsam, and the same save approach applies after any other operation in the app. If you explore additional tools such as splitting, you'll still use that diskette icon to name your output and choose a location that fits your workflow. You're all set. Now you know how to merge PDFs and save the results using PDFsam. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss new uploads. Thanks for watching.